Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. If this is your first time or seeing my video on YouTube, you're highly welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for stopping by. In today's video, I have a beautiful remedy for you guys to take care of your face, your skin. If you have a breaking skin, it's common. Okay, don't worry, breaking skin is common. If you have acne, you have oiling, you have a fine lines, this remedy will help you to get rid of this problem. Okay,
put your head on my shoulder, hold me in your arms, baby, squeeze me oh so tight.
Disclaimer: if you were under the age of 17, do not click on this video, because this is for adults only. Don't forget to subscribe, and click that bell. Let's get started.
so guys, the first ingredients we are going to be using green tea. You can get any brand of green tea you need. Okay, so this is my green tea. Okay, try to get any brand you need. Okay, which are antimicrobial and help destroy acne causing bacteria. It also has anti-inflammatory property that help reducing the redness and inflammation that is often caused by acne. Okay guys, when consuming the green tea also help treating hormonal imbalance that can often lead to acne. Okay, so I'm going to bring the water to boil. I'll be right back. I actually use a home remedy to take care of our skin as we are age, as we are growing old. All this happens, so don't worry. The remedy I'm going to be sharing with you step by step, it will help you. So here is the green tea. We only need the tea bag. Okay, as you can see, it's brewed already. So how we remove the tea bag from the tea. So guys, you can also drink it, which I'm going to drink the tea anyway, so you can also drink the green tea. The second ingredient we are going to be using raw honey. Okay, you can get any brand, any organic good raw honey, okay, for your face. So raw honey help balance the bacteria on your skin, which make it a great product to use for acne. Honey has been studied as anti-acne product, found to be significantly more effective than other popular products. Honey speeds up your skin cell healing process. Okay, you can get a good raw honey in any supermarket or wherever you are doing shopping. Get a good honey for your skin, for your face, so speed all the skin healings. So here it is after 2 minutes. So we're going to be opening this bag. You can use scissors to get rid of the ingredients. Okay guys, so a teaspoon of my beautiful honey. You can see the way it's dark. That is good honey. Now we need half teaspoon of honey. So you apply it day and night to the effect area so you apply it all over your face. Your face will be glowing. You have a good skin. You will actually like the honey disappear with the green tea. So it comes to the paste. This is what you need. So you apply it, you use it to exfoliate the skin, and you leave it for 20 minutes and you rinse it with lukewarm water. So here is this. You use it. in a circular motion. On this, you will see changes to your skin. And please don't forget to click the subscribe button and the notification button. Please don't forget to share the video with your friend, with your neighbor, your sisters, with people that, or if you have a friend that is struggle to get rid of pimples or acne, just tell them to try this remedy. Okay, if you have a wrinkled hand, you can also use it for the wrinkled hand. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now. See you soon.